Fully. Here we have a situation 400 milligram of tablet taken every 6 hours. So let's try to make the idea here. So at the beginning, let's say here, that's the first dose. 400 milligram is taken, okay? And every 6 hours, 15% of the drug is still there. So before the second dose, 15%, I mean, we denote this by initial amount B, we can say this K is 0.15. So at the start of before second dose, the amount will be, this is B, this will be KB. Let me put the formula this way, okay? It's 400 in our case, but this is actually B, so this will be K times B here. Then after, that's the before second dose. After second dose, then this will be B more, so B plus KB. Okay, that will be after second dose. Then it will be also down to K times this, so that will be KB plus K square B. Multiply this by K. That will be before the third dose. And after, right after third dose, that plus B. So here B plus whatever that is, KB plus K square B. Okay, and then it keeps going, okay? Now, after first dose, B, after second dose, B plus KB, after third dose, right after third dose, B plus KB plus K square B. Here, right before first dose, there is nothing, 0. So right before second dose, that's KB. Right before third dose, KB plus K square B. And right before fourth dose would be, we would multiply this by K. So KB plus K square B plus KQB, etc. So in this way, we can in fact write a formula. Okay, so let me put that here. Right after nth dose, so we are here, B, KB, that one, right? So that would be B plus KB plus, okay, right after third dose, we got 3 terms, 3, so K square B. So this will be up to Kn minus 1B. And this is a geometric series with first term B and common ratio K. If we find this sum, the formula will be B1 minus K raised to that plus 1. So N over 1 minus K. Okay, that's right after nth dose. And if you want to find right before nth dose, okay, right before nth dose, it will be then, okay, right before second dose, KB, right before third dose, KB plus K square B. So this will be KB plus K square B. For second, there is only one term. For third, only 2 terms. So before nth dose, it will be all the way to K n minus 1B. And here we can factor KB out from all of them. So 1 plus K plus Kn minus 2, because 1K is out. This is a geometric series, we can find the sum. KB 1 minus K n minus 1 all over 1 minus K. Okay, we can apply this formula or just do this type of work. So in part A, right after taking the third tablet, so after third tablet we got B plus KB plus K square B. We can use just that, okay, that should be enough. Or we can apply this as well. So I'm going to write down B plus KB plus K square B. So you can factor B out, 1 plus K square. B is initial dose 400. 1 plus K is 0.15. 0.15 plus 0.15 squared. Use your calculator and it comes out to be 469, and this is the milligram. Okay, you can use this formula as well. part B, right before the fourth tablet. So for here, that will be KB plus K square B plus K cube B. Okay, or we could have used this formula, same thing. Here we can factor KB out, 1 plus K squared. And if you look at closely, it's the same thing. Here we are just multiplying by K. Okay, K is 0.15 times this is 469. And if we multiply, it comes out to be 70.35. Or if you want to apply this formula, so right before the fourth tablet, so n is 4, so this will be KB 1 minus K 4 minus 1 3 over 1 minus K. K is 0.15, B is 400, K is 0.15 cubed, 1 minus 0.15, it will be the same. See, right after the sixth tablet, okay, that's a lot of writing, so I'm going to use this. Right after taking the sixth tablet, so this one with n equals 6, so B 1 minus K 6 over 1 minus K. B is 400, 1 minus 0.15 raised to 6, 1 minus 0.15. Use your calculator. Okay, it will be 470.58 milligram. D, steady state after taking a tablet, that's in the long run. So this will be the same formula, but n is very big, and since K is less than 1, okay, it will be the same formula, B 1 minus Kn over 1 minus K. But in the long run, n is very high number and K is less than 1, so this goes to 0. So the steady state is B times 1, B over 1 minus K. Okay, and we denote by A, that is B over 1 minus K. That's the steady state. B is 400, 1 minus 0.15, and you just use your calculator, 470.58 milligram. D, part E, sorry. Steady state right before taking the tablet. Right before means this is right after. Right before means we subtract the initial amount. Okay, which is what? 470.58 minus 470.58 milligram. Okay, that's the final answer. This one we can get from here as well. In fact, this part, this n is very big, so KB over 1 minus K. KB over 1 minus K. This formula gives same answer, if you like.